You only need 3 friends in your life. Alam mo, as we grow older, mapapansin mo na hindi pala sa dami ng kaibigan na susukat ang tunay na yaman ng buhay. Hindi ito tungkol sa kung ilan sila, kundi kung sino ang pinapayagan mong manatili sa circle mo. Hindi mo kailangan ng maraming barkada. You only need 3 solid friends. Una, you need a truth teller. Yung tropang hindi takot magsabi ng totoo. Yung kayang i-call out ka kapag may mali. Hindi puro oo lang, pero kaya kang sabihan ng, bro, sis, kapatid, hindi ka ganyan dati. Balik tayo sa goal natin. Minsan masakit, minsan mahirap pakinggan. Pero kailangan mo yan. Because we all need someone who keeps us grounded and reminds us of who we said we want to be. Pangalawa, you need a confidant. Yung taong kahit anong sikreto mo, pwede mong ibuhos. Walang judgment, walang chismis. Safe space lang. Hindi lang sila nakikinig, ginagabayan ka nila. Hindi lang, I support you, kundi sinasabi rin nila ang kailangan mong marinig. With love, yung alam mong kahit gaano kabigat, kaya mong i-share at kaya nilang alagaan. Ang pangatlo, ito ang paborito ko. You need a ride or die. Yung tipong 3:00 ng madaling araw, tatawag ka at sasabihin mo, bro, friend, kapatid, kailangan kita. At ang sagot lang nila, on the way. Walang tanong, walang hesitation, pure presence. Yung kaibigan na hindi mo kailangang ipaliwanag ang lahat, they just show up, no matter what. Hindi mo basta-basta makikita ang ganitong klaseng kaibigan. At kung meron ka na, you are already richer than most people. Sabi nga sa quote, you're lucky if you have one of each. But if by some miracle, may taong kayang maging truth teller, confidant, at ride or die mo, that's a friend for life. At kung meron ka na ng ganitong kaibigan, message them today. Sabihin mo, salamat bro, salamat sis, salamat bes. Because people like that don't walk into your life every day. You don't let them go. You hold on to them forever. So tag them sa comment section below. Ipakita mo kung gaano mo sila na-appreciate, kung gaano mo sila kamahal, at kung gaano ka ka-grateful na nandyan sila sa buhay mo.